Eco-friendly products. In today's world, where environmental issues are becoming increasingly pressing, it's more important than ever to make sustainable choices in our daily lives. Fortunately, advancements in technology have made it easier than ever to be eco-conscious while still enjoying the latest gadgets and devices. In this video, we'll be showcasing some of the most innovative and exciting eco-friendly gadgets on the market. Number 10. Attitude Dishwashing Liquid. Shopping for eco-friendly kitchen products can be confusing, with so many brands using greenwashing language to appear eco-conscious. But with this everyday dish soap, you can be sure you're making a responsible choice. Unlike other brands that use questionable ingredients and practices, this dish soap is free of harmful preservatives and offers eco-friendly refills to reduce plastic waste. It's even certified by Ecologo, which sets strict standards for reducing the environmental impact of products throughout their life cycle. Number 9. All-Purpose Cleaning Cloth. This pack includes 8 cleaning cloths that are not only durable, but also machine washable, making them a cost-effective and sustainable option for your home. And unlike traditional dish towels, these cloths are thin and resemble paper towels, making them an easy swap for those accustomed to the convenience of disposable options. Plus, they're a great way to reduce waste in the kitchen, which is an area of the home that generates a ton of unnecessary waste. One satisfied shopper even shared a helpful tip for keeping these clothes top of mind in the kitchen. By keeping them next to the paper towels, it's easier to remember to reach for the reusable option instead of the wasteful one. It's a small change that can make a big difference in reducing your household's environmental impact. Number 8. Greenzla Reusable Makeup Remover Pads. If you're looking for a sustainable and eco-friendly alternative to disposable makeup remover pads, look no further than amazing reusable bamboo cotton rounds. These pads are not only gentle on your skin, but they're also incredibly long-lasting, making them a great investment for any beauty routine. Made from ethically sourced, natural bamboo organic cotton, these pads are the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. They're gentle enough to use on even the most sensitive skin, yet effective enough to remove even the toughest makeup. Number 7. Pixie Menstrual Cup. This amazing product comes in 6 different sizes in 2 styles, all made from organic materials that are gentle on your body. Not only are these cups eco-friendly, but they'd also provide a superior experience when compared to traditional menstrual products. With Pixie cups, you can say goodbye to odor, leaks, and the risk of toxic shock syndrome, TSS. It's a win-win situation for both you and the planet. And if you're still on the fence, you'll be happy to know that the Pixie brand is committed to sustainability. They are climate neutral by Climate Partner, which means they take responsibility for the carbon emissions they produce and work to reduce their impact on the environment. Plus, they've already donated over 100,000 Pixie cups to women in need, so you can feel good about supporting a company that gives back to the community. If you find it interesting, why not leave a comment with a heart or an icon as a thank you for our video? Do you like these types of tech gadgets? Why not leave a Tim emoji and a comments of thanks below. Number 6. The Veggie Straws. These straws are made from vegetable fibers that are rich in cellulose, making them both biodegradable and incredibly durable. Not only that, but they won't get soggy even when used with hot beverages, so you can enjoy your drinks without worrying about any unwanted texture changes. And if you're concerned about the environmental impact of your purchases, you'll be happy to know that these straws are USDA certified bio-based, ASTM, and ISO certified. This means that they have undergone rigorous testing to ensure their eco-friendliness and sustainability. So why settle for wasteful and harmful plastic straws when you can switch to these amazing eco-friendly options? Not only will you be doing your part to protect the planet, but you'll also be enjoying a high-quality product that you can feel good about using. Order yours today and start sipping in style. Number 5. Generic Eco-Friendly Razor. Featuring a twin-blade razor head, these razors provide a close and even shave every time. They're also perfect for travel and on-the-go use, so you can stay clean and groomed no matter where you go. What's more, this pack of 50 biodegradable razors comes at a wholesale price, making it an affordable option for businesses looking to go green. By choosing these razors, you can save money on shaving while also taking care of the environment. Number 4. Rocketbook Smart Reusable. Say goodbye to wasting paper with the environmentally friendly 32-page dotted grid notebook from Rocketbook. This innovative notebook can be used endlessly by simply wiping it clean with a damp cloth, making it a great choice for anyone who wants to reduce their environmental impact. What's more, the Rocketbook notebook allows you to blast your handwritten notes to popular cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, Evernote, Box, OneNote, Slack, iCloud, email, and more, using the free Rocketbook application for iOS and Android. This means you can access your notes from anywhere and never have to worry about losing them. Are you finding the video valuable so far? If yes, then consider hitting the like and subscribe button, as it motivates us to keep bringing you amazing content. Don't leave the screen, you will miss out on what comes next. Number 3. EcoSoul 100% Compostable Cutlery. Say goodbye to traditional plastic or paper cutlery and make a sustainable choice with EcoSoul's Compostable Cutlery. Made from 100% natural and renewable birchwood, these utensils are not only eco-friendly but also sturdy and free of harmful chemicals. No matter the occasion, whether it's a party or a camping trip, EcoSoul's Compostable Cutlery is the perfect solution. These utensils are completely compostable, making them safe to dispose of without leaving any harmful or permanent waste behind. You can now enjoy your meals with peace of mind, knowing that you're making a positive impact on the environment. Number 2. SeaTurtle Plant-Based Bristles Bamboo Toothbrush. Looking for an eco-friendly alternative to your traditional toothbrush? Look no further than SeaTurtle's bamboo toothbrushes. Made with the environment in mind, these toothbrushes feature bristles that are 100% plant-based and derived from castor beans. They even turn softer with warm water, making for a more comfortable brushing experience compared to harsh nylon bristles. Not only are the bristles environmentally friendly, but the handle is as well. The handle is made of natural bamboo, reducing your carbon footprint and making for a more sustainable toothbrush option. Plus, with a pack of 4 numbered toothbrushes, you can easily change your toothbrush every season or share them with family members. But SeaTurtle doesn't stop there. They also thought about the packaging, which is minimal and recyclable with no excessive packaging. And if you receive your toothbrushes with slightly bent bristles due to shipping, don't worry. Simply soak them in hot water to regain their original shape. Number 1. 100% Compostable Food Storage Bags. If you're looking for a sustainable and eco-friendly alternative to traditional plastic Ziploc bags, Earth's Natural Alternative has got you covered. Say goodbye to harmful plastic waste with their 100% compostable and biodegradable kitchen food storage bags. These bags are made from sustainable vegetable starch, such as corn starch, which makes them unbleached, durable, and non-toxic. Unlike plastic bags, they are free from BPA and polyethylene, ensuring that they are safe to use for both you and the environment. Ina's resealable bags come in a convenient 100 count, are extra thick, and meet composting standards, making them perfect for storing a variety of foods like meat, fish, chicken, sandwiches, snacks, and fruits. Plus, they're not just for food storage. You can use them for office organization, DIY projects, and even toy storage. Comparable in size and sturdiness to plastic Ziploc bags, Ina's eco-friendly bags reduce single-use plastic and decrease waste in landfills, making them a much better choice for the environment.